Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Hotjar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you use Hotjar session replays? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use session replay in your Hotjar account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, tracking user behavior can help guide decisions to improve your website. And with Hotjar, you can watch session replays. So if somebody joins into your website, you're going to see how they moved through your website. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Hotjar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Hotjar account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see your session replays, in order for this to work, you had to have already connected your Hotjar to your website. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So this is assuming you've already connected your website to Hotjar and you already had sessions or users coming to your website. Now to view those sessions here on the left side, you're going to scroll down until you see this button here, Session Replay. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of these sessions that were recorded. So the cool thing is Hotjar gathers a lot of different information. So you can see how long this person was on the website, the date they were on the website, the score. So basically the frustration score, if the number is really high, that means that maybe they were clicking on a certain button, or maybe a button's not working, or maybe they were hovering for a certain time in one particular area. So there might be a problem with your website. They'll let you know how many page views, where they were located, what browser, what operating system. So just a lot of different data on your users. And if you want to see what their session looked like, here on the left, you want to click on play. And you can see this was for 34 seconds. Now it's playing right now. Okay, so it's going page by page as the user was going through the website. So here they are on the click tail contact information, and then they switched over to some sort of a questionnaire on the website. So this gives you an idea of the session flow for your users on your website. Okay, so let me close this down. So this information is accessible for a certain amount of time. So that really depends on the paid plan that you have with Hotjar. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to use your session replays in your Hotjar account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.